Here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to change your PayPal account from business to personal. First, open PayPal.com and log in using your email and password. PayPal does not offer a direct button to downgrade an account, so you'll need to contact support. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Contact. This takes you to the PayPal Help Center. In the Help Center, select Message Center. Then click New Message to send a downgrade request. From the list of topics, select Account Profile and Setup. Then choose Upgrading or Downgrading your account. This ensures your request is sent to the right support team. In the message box, write that you want to change your PayPal account from business to personal. Include your account email and simply request a downgrade. Send the message and wait for PayPal to process your request. PayPal usually replies within 24 to 48 hours and will change your account type for you. And that's it. That's how to switch your PayPal account from business to personal.